The Prophet said there's no virtue over a black man over a white man or an Arab over a non-Arab. How comes it took you, I don't know how many years as the white dominance to figure that out? Only 30 years ago you stopped apartheid. So why should we listen to you, in a sense? Okay, you're playing the moral superiority card. With all due respect, it took you 1,300 years after the fact to realize that something the Prophet said, who you're attacking the religion of right now, you now agree with him. So how do we know you're not going to differ on these issues? On the issue of slavery, because when was the apartheid then? 1994, 30 years ago, and they're telling us about this and that. I mean, I don't see how this is working here. You said that the emanation and the knowledge production of these ideologies that you're talking about is undoubtedly white and European. I don't think John Stuart Mill or Jeremy Bentham or Immanuel Kant was Nigerian. I didn't see. You're talking about secular ethics. It's not the secular ethics of the black man, is it? It's the secular ethics of the white man. And you've already assumed it to be true, just like many of probably the people before in this country, white men, assumed that apartheid was true.